Anytime now. Gates open. They're up and racing. Queen Kugat moving up. Glorious Honor. Youngsta Gangsta moving up on the further outside. Silver Bullet also in there. AJ Special. Then running by the Rail Capitana Cole. Followed now by Queen Kugat. Home run last. Third last moving up. Grand Excess and Seketa is running at the tail of the field. Past the last 600. Youngsta Gangsta. This time by about 3 lengths. Running in second, Capitanaco, Silver Bullet, and Dory outside AJ Special. Home run last, now getting closer as they turn for home. Youngsta Gangsta, Capitanaco sneaking in the Dory inside. Moving up, Silver Bullet. Home run last is by the rail. With the last 100 meters more to run. We have Capitanaco, home run last by the rail. Silver Bullet is on the outside and leading the finish line. It's going to be close finish between home run last Capitanaco. Silver Bullet took third, then comes Youngsta Gangsta, AJ Special, Grand Excess, Seketa, Queen Kugat, and Glorious Honor.